This one is a 1970 Olivetti Lettera 32. Excellent condition machine, and I love the design. It's super simple and modern, so it's fun to type on. This one comes with a zip case. Zips all the way up, pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they work properly. Start with the line space. This flips back so you can put it in the case. That's the 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, all work good. Left margin and the bell works good. Right margin, or right carriage release. Left margin, that's how you set it. Right margin, works good. Backspace works good. This is the tab button. There's no tab set right now. Let's set a tab right here by flicking this switch up. Works good. Now let's clear that tab by pressing it down. Now we have no tabs. This is the paper tray, and quick look at the machine itself. It looks almost brand new. Everything is clean. It's like never been used. We have it on a 3 space, so I'm gonna change that to 1 and pull it back down to. So as you can see, all the keys type perfectly and none of them stick. So now we're gonna type a sentence in red. Types perfectly and is available now on Etsy or eBay. Search for Brooksaw Antiques. I'll get you a close-up of that print real quick.